Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Solana Fork Staccana token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Staccana is a Solana compatible blockchain ecosystem focused on confidential transactions, MEV resistant trading infrastructure, decentralized finance participation, and community driven ecosystem development. The project is designed to explore privacy-oriented transaction mechanics and fairer on-chain trading environments while maintaining compatibility with the broader Solana ecosystem and decentralized finance infrastructure. Launched in 2026, Staccana combines blockchain infrastructure, liquidity participation, token utility ecosystem, incentives, and decentralized finance integration into a unified ecosystem, commonly referred to as the Stackverse. The project aims to support ecosystem growth through community participation, liquidity expansion, trading activity, and on-chain across Solana native protocols and decentralized applications. Solana Fork Staccana project institution is 3.2. Staccana token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 998.87 million Staccana token. Staccana token is listed on Radium, PumpSwap and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.